Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Today I want to talk about what is driving Ford's stock price. Ford has been having some woes lately, and it just seems like it never stops coming. Not only do they have the strike, which is also affecting GM and Stellantis, but they've had a couple other things lately. They announced that they have a recall. I believe it's part of their battery, and it's on 35,000 of the electric Mustangs. But that's it's small cost. Also, Ford says that they are projecting $1 billion in civil penalties through 2032 under the Biden fuel economy proposal, and that it threatens substantial economic hardships. All that ahead of earnings due out, I believe that's next week, October 26th, if I'm not mistaken, in Ford. And so there's a lot to get ahead of there. Now, if we look from a technical standpoint, we're hitting support right now. It remains to be seen if we're going to bounce or not. We still have further support, sort of a fair amount lower. Ford stock ended up closing down 2.41% today. I hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.